go.
Okay, so here's our prototype of our circuit that we would design with our students. We have two cords here connecting to the battery. That would be the beginning of the circuit. And if you follow each of them, the black one leads to this button, which would represent either the front or back door. And then the red one leads to the other button, which would be the other door. We connected an additional cord to both of these buttons to make sure the light would actually function. And then this red cord is just ending off the circuit so that the energy can transfer all the way through and function properly. As I demonstrated, both of the buttons do work, so our circuit is successful, and we would assume that however this would be set up, the button would be pressed if the door is open as opposed to being closed, so that you aren't using the battery life all the time. Our challenges when we were coming up with this design is how to stay within the budget, so questioning like how long the battery life would last and what supplies we would need, but luckily the supplies we were provided with was enough to complete the circuit. And then we also had a little bit of confusion on how to connect all of the cords to make the complete circuit. Our first attempt, one of our buttons didn't work, so we had to rearrange some of them and find the beginning and end for each light. The questions we still have would be how long the batteries would last, and then in addition how long the light bulbs would last, and then how long the distance is between the two doors, so finding a way to get enough material to cover the span for both doors so that both doors can function with their lights.